It all started with one. Then one became many. Many willing to be free. Free to choose. Free to share. On the desktop. Corporate. Science. Art. Everywhere. So come and race with us.